In this video, I'll show you how to edit ad groups in Google Ads so you can update settings, improve organization, and optimize campaign performance. Editing ad groups is useful when you want to adjust targeting, update names, or refine how your ads are structured within a campaign. To begin, sign in to your Google Ads account and look at the left navigation menu. Click Campaigns to open the section where your campaigns and related elements are managed. From there, navigate to the Ad Groups area within the campaign you want to modify. You'll see a table listing the ad groups associated with that campaign. Locate the ad group you want to edit and check the box beside its name. Once selected, a context menu will appear above the table with several available actions. Click Edit to open the editing options for that ad group. From here, you can update details such as the ad group name, bidding settings, or other configuration options depending on your campaign type. Always review your changes carefully before saving, as small adjustments can influence how your ads are delivered and how your budget is spent. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.